This incident happened around 2 o'clock this morning when most people were sleeping.
Hundreds of rescue workers have been going through the rubble, and some family members, desperate for more information on their loved ones, are still waiting.
Police tonight saying 99 people are unaccounted for.
And as search and rescue efforts continuing now into day 4, Israel sending an elite team of specialists to go and help out.
When I heard of the collapse, I was thinking, we can help. We specialize in building destructions. We saw that we can support the American teams by providing them our methodology.
The pain in the air, it's something I never experienced in my life.
I came back very optimistic from there. I promised myself to try to be a better person.
We cherish life. From this deep core of values, we find the efforts, we find the resources, we find the power to save people all around, overseas. No matter who you are, you're a Christian, you're a Muslim, you're a Jewish, you're a Buddhist, we will get to you and we will find you and we will save you because we cherish life.